TikTok Shop versus TikTok Affiliate. Any difference? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of TikTok Shop and TikTok Affiliate. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start with TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is an e-commerce feature that allows sellers to list and sell products directly on TikTok. It enables in-app purchases, product tagging in videos and live streams, and provides a shopping tab for user profiles. It's designed for brands and merchants looking to sell directly to TikTok users. Pros of TikTok Shop include direct sales without redirecting users, more visibility through in-video tags, integration with live streams, and a growing user base ready to purchase. Cons include competition with other sellers, limited analytics tools, and eligibility requirements for sellers in some regions. Now let's talk about TikTok Affiliate. TikTok Affiliate is a program that allows creators to earn commissions by promoting products listed on TikTok Shop. Creators can browse products from sellers, add affiliate links, and earn a percentage of each sale made through their content. Pros of TikTok Affiliate include a low barrier to entry, passive income through content, access to a variety of products to promote, and no need to manage inventory. Cons include lower profit margins compared to selling your own products, dependency on product performance, and payout thresholds or delays. So that's basically the main differences between TikTok Shop and TikTok Affiliate, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.